Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to paint the front bumper and get it back onto the car. Stay tuned. Perfect. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's do it. Alrighty, guys, picking up from last episode. Hopefully it was last episode. But we prepped this. Put some stop putty in all the pinholes. And sanded it back. And I wiped it down yesterday. So I'll just go over it again with wax and grease remover and then a tack cloth, and we'll get painting. So I'll just do another primer on that. It's feeling good. Should be okay. Should be enough. It's Melbourne Cup Day today. It's Tuesday. We are now overdue with the baby, so we're on call. I need to drop everything. And go. So we're trying to get this done by definitely before Friday, because I need to. Alright guys, got the primer down. There's a couple of little big droplets. I'm going to sand down. There's one there and one over there somewhere. I'll do that and then we'll start shooting some colour. I've just done dust coat of the colour. I've gone around some of the vents a few times. Hard to get to. Let that flush off. I'll come back and do another coat. Alright guys, I'm back. Just been working on the wheels still. And just watch the Melbourne Cup. And let's do it. Alrighty guys, I finished up the colour. I'm about to do the pearl. I'm just picking some up now. Doing 300ml, that should be enough to do this whole thing. Quite good. And then we'll do the clear. Alright guys, time for clear. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, the front bar is definitely dry to the touch. Obviously not fully cured, but we need to make room up here so I can do the wheels. So I'm going to chuck it on the car. I'll probably just have these four screwed in, and maybe the end ones that are lightly screwed in, maybe 2 threads. Let's chuck it on the car. Alrighty, gotta take this, move this back. Still need to do the lights, guys. So, that's just the sanding job. So that's easy. Oh, the lip is really, really smooth. Okay, is that clear on? And the angle. So we get under the guards. Nice. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to bring the plastic back over. Next time you see this will be when it's all back together. Next episode we'll be doing the wheels. I've been working on that for a few days now. Yeah, it'll be the reveal. Everything done and out. Mint. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked this episode. It's coming along. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and guess enjoy your weekend. I'm kind of thinking of into the future. Anyways, I'll catch you next episode. Bye.